There we go. Hello mate, what's up? If I don't notice your messages right away, all the TDSs and sound alerts are free. I'm doing a Trackmania inspired trial game. My main project is an MMORPG. My potato PC barely runs this while streaming.
I will command a great and terrible army. And we will sail to 1,000,000,000 worlds. We will sail until every light has been extinguished. You are strong.
Burial May team.
Beyond strength.
Thanks for following.
I am the end. And I have come for you.
He's mine now.
Fall.
My PC doesn't have Bluetooth and I cannot find my old headphones. Cannot be bothered to set up Discord as I usually do. Normally I just join with my PC plus laptop in Discord so I can talk on stream. This is my laptop on the bot account. Oga, remember that your PC has a good chance of tilting if you add Discord to the screen.
STFU don't care.
You'll be. I
Okay.
should see. Yeah, the audio thing is going up. So if you're looking at the stream, you might hear like yourself. So
That's. Oh, there we go. Oh wow. Yeah, I can hear myself, so I'm muting now.
yeah. All right, but just FYI for the stream, I'm joined by what should we call you, Robert?
Just Robert M18 doesn't really matter. Realm. I go by like 10 different names. It really doesn't matter to me.
All
You
right.
call me Robert or Realm, it doesn't matter.
Realm, yeah, Realm is your nickname, so whatever. So this guy claims to have some similar dreams in terms of developing RPGs. So he's helping me, or at least trying. He's been wonderful so far. So hats off.
Thank you. Got it. Yeah, that I don't. There's somewhere on the website that I was finding it hard to read. I think
Yeah,
it was
I'm such a noob when it comes to the front end or the CSS side.
Yeah, it was the purple on the gray.
It should be reworked, like the whole site. I'm definitely not a front end guy or
No,
very artistic for that matter. That's why I
No, I
rely
know.
on other like artists to make my content.
Yeah.
Actually, yeah. Do I have the client installed? Where you're from, by the way, if you don't mind me
Canada.
asking. Canada, nice. I'm from Finland.
So you're probably using a Finland data center.
For my servers,
Yeah.
my actually the game server I think is in Germany or UK. No, the wiki. No, I can't remember. But they're either Germany or UK, I think.
Okay.
I've two different hosts that I'm like renting the servers from. The Windows server, and I have a Linux server for the game, and then a WordPress.
Yeah. There is, as you said, suggestion mobs. Is it possible to get a bunny version, or like a not a bunny, well, it'd be a hare kind of playable creature?
Yeah, it's I can do that in 5 minutes if you want to turn into a bunny, or if you want a bunny as a pet, or if you
I
want
was
it as an
thinking
NPC.
as a personal character to play. I have
Sure,
a few.
but
I have a few friends that love their personas are bunnies. So
yeah, that's totally possible.
yeah.
Let's go characters. Although they are animated, and I don't know if they're rigged as far like they're as in
Oh, I know.
animals. So if you want like a bipedal, like a walking on two legs kind of, then we need to make a new model, like a were bunny.
The jumping on the human is a little, how do I say, weird.
I have animal controller, which probably would help us making like a animated player controller for the animals. It has a wolf and the horse and some dragon and then also humanoid. Also, I have the Invector full set. So I'm just stealing animations. I also bought like two assets that are like for four different kinds of weapons. They have like a few thousand different animations for combat animation for melee.
Yeah.
What was I looking for? The bunny. So they're all already added. So we should go just in the root. There's a resources folder, mobs, and then I did this categorization the same way I did it on the wiki site. So it should be terrestrial, and under terrestrial.
Oh.
What was the name?
another weird bug, and I don't know if you can actually handle it on your machine.
Right.
There is the if you click on void during character creation, it takes you off the map. And when you're looking at only the male, if you're looking at the male, it will literally jitter. At least with my screen resolution, I can share it if you want.
Oh, are you talking about the demons?
No.
The demon you should only. Yeah, sorry. Go ahead.
Let me boot it back up.
Because I have like a shit ton of different races I can play as in the character creation, but I disabled recently all of them except the humans, and all the other ones, if they are available, they will be buggy as hell. But they might be playable, but only the humans and elves would be playable because they're using the same model. Yeah, let's see.
So,
or actually, let's go on the PC.
Doesn't matter which one you look at. I like the fact you don't have your audio's at max, but still pretty loud.
Is it loud? I can put it down. I can't hear it myself.
No, I meant the audio for the game.
Oh yeah, that's horrible. I have that's like a RPG fantasy music pack that I just bought for, or it might be the free one even.
So
yeah, the void one.
Oh,
those are the demons.
What?
So those will be jittery.
Oh, I found a weird bug then.
Yeah, those are.
No.
I know this. Okay.
No, this weird bug. It only happens on. I want to see if I can trigger it again. Here, I want to delete you. Okay, if I click void.
It is. I think it's because of screen resolution. I had the jittering myself with this guy. Just try to switch this subtype into the other demon.
When I was trying to, when I was
okay,
trying
now it's
to,
broken. There should be two demons.
I want to see if I can reproduce this. It's a weird bug. I might need to relog back in. But it was first time join with your game.
When you don't have any characters.
Yeah, it took void and it threw you way off the map.
Oh, okay. Try to do it again then, I guess. Okay, I'm gonna take that off the stream.
I'm trying with a blank account to see if it forces it again. Where are you going to force? Come on, you can work. Okay, so it's jittery there. It doesn't know where to put the camera right away.
Huh.
So what I did is click like her. And now if I click void.
Oh wow.
Great?
I think I have an idea what that's why that's happening, but yeah, that's funny. Well,
I'm sorry.
It's because I haven't assigned the head slot and the body slot or at least the head slot is required for this character creation screen where you zoom in and zoom out, and only the human. I don't know why it does that by default. That's kind of funny.
Like, it's kind of a weird. It's a weird bug.
But yeah, I already made like a template spell where you can like transform.
I see what happened. It's not. You should actually assign your universe first on a new creation.
Right.
You're skipping a step, so it goes directly to the character creation, so it gets freaked out.
Yeah, you're absolutely right. It's about I've made a main menu, and the character creations should be like after you've kind of joined the game or launched it. Right now, after login, I don't know. Does the version you were using have the main menu, or did you get in the login screen right away?
I'm running the latest, whatever that is, which comes with the playoff line.
It might be 0.9. Yeah, 0.9 probably. I actually deleted that button. You shouldn't press it because it crashes the game. It's not in the next version.
Yeah.
The animations are also wrecked in that one. Or I'm actually right now running the same game in stream, but in the next one I've kind of fixed the animations.
Oh, Alt F4. Whoa!
Oh, you went it. Yeah, if you press the, okay, that's the issue with the play offline button, because you probably accidentally press it. Now you have to restart the home game because there's no. Well, if you press I, this is in vector demo, and the AC demo. There's also a horse you can drive, ride. This all of the animated mobs, not the animals, and there's some weapons you can play around with. This is the other side project that I'm working on. They're all running on the same engine or set of assets, basically.
Yeah.
So you can climb and swim, and there's a combat system and inventory. If you press I, you can't climb on that. That exit shouldn't work. There's where you spawn. There's weapons. You can try like a bazooka. So if you shoot yourself, you should fly in the air.
Okay, let's aim at you, please. No.
Right click. Hold right click to kind of aim yourself.
No, I'm pushing one.
Oh yeah, you can click to hit as well.
Interesting. You got a shader
I have RBG for that.
Well, those ones are a bit off the head, but all good.
If you find a skeleton or climb the mountain, there's a wolf that will hit you. I think you should like splatter like dynamic fluid blood, like which it splatters.
I can climb a person.
You can climb the brown things. And behind you is a mountain where it's also a raven. I like crows, so you can control it, but it's not first person. I love ragdolls as well.
Come on.
You have to go around the corner.
Oh yeah,
not there.
You might want to. Oh, the other side.
Yeah, that there you can see that. There's a few ways I figured to climb this. If you want to find the buggy way, go in the slot right behind you. There's a little like ditch. You can barely fit in it. Like right in the ground level.
Ground level.
Go a little backwards where you came from. That one you can climb. That's a basic way to do it. It's the easier way, but there's a bug that if you get yourself stuck in a little like this crevice, and then you crouch, you get launched in the air. It's right there. You're stuck actually. Now crouch. It's C or control.
Don't we love early game bugs?
That's a feature. No, that's not gonna be removed though. I love it.
Well, yeah, it's a good unstuck way. Unstuck me.
I mean, it's a bad game design or level design if you get this stuck like that in anywhere.
Yeah.
So that just kind of happened. I found it myself. It's a giant giraffe on my screen.
Oh, that giraffe is so big.
The cats are probably not animated, but I can spawn them as enemies, and they will attack or be your allies depending on their like faction, or if they're pets, obviously.
Yeah, the first time I ran the game, it crashed my computer. I don't even know why. It just
Okay,
there's
it's not
something.
optimized probably.
No, yeah. Well,
The
my
game, I mean.
computer shouldn't have. The game should not have crashed.
Also,
Um,
it's raining. Did you get in the game or in the character creation or?
Alt. So can I? No, I can't use escape. How
Oh, you
did
have
I
to
get?
Alt F4 to get out of the game now. If you use the exit button, it will break the underlying game because it kind of stacks the main scripts which run on the background even when you're there because you went there. Actually, it just ruins the whole game. The menu system is still under construction, so to speak. Man, I hate these animations. You slide for the first few seconds you run. They are fixed. All right.
Come on, you can load. Thank you.
Pop this out.
No. Let's because void doesn't work. Let's cancel.
It should work, but only the imp is animated.
No, I meant getting the what's it called? Oh, did not realize there was a subtype.
Yeah, that should have worked the last time. That's why I say you had bugged the character creation somehow, probably by the camera switching thing or related. There's this. That's why I activated these shouldn't be activated basically, but the game picks it up because I tried them and I didn't disable the race. I can basically make as many races as I like. The UI has been pre-made for, or I made it for, so that there's 3 different races on each faction here. So it doesn't matter which one I add; it will always go in the right corner, basically. But you can make as many as you like.
What is this? This one? I can't.
It's outlaw. If you press on the info tab, you have a. It should be default. Not that one in the play offline under the play offline. Be careful just not to play because it doesn't give you a loading screen if you press the play offline. So outlaw is basically against. Yeah, that's horrible. I know, but at least it picks up from whatever I set on the server side, or I have the editor on my computer here. If I'd say the human race description would be lol lol lol, you would see lol 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 under there. So it's a placeholder. The fonts and all that is horrible, and you can make changes to the body. I think the screen size is.
It might not like my screen size, even though it's default of 1920 by 1080. I can't.
Right.
1920 by 1080.
Also, there's like no, actually, now I remember. I just screwed it up when I did the UI last time. There's a randomize button also down it if you go on the like left side panel or the faction and race panel, and you go under the screen and you press click. You should randomize a character somewhere. There's a button. I think if you go in the body tab, it should randomize those as well. And if you take another like class or gender, it should reset. Try to go back to the normal. You broke it again.
I'm really good at breaking it, aren't I?
Yeah, I thought that the character creation was fixed in that version. Apparently not.
Sorry.
No. Is that don't? Okay. Now it works, maybe.
Well, the info stops updating once you click outlaw.
Okay.
I'm trying to see. Oh, shoot. There it goes. Okay, why is that updating this time? Wait, what?
Your guess is as good as mine.
I'm so confused. What? We'll continue.
It should accept numbers, I think, right now.
It does. I had that. Alright.
It doesn't accept special characters, though, I think, which is good.
Come on. Come on. You can create server. Oh, it didn't like it
Whoa.
because it was.
What? I've never seen that before.
It didn't delete my. I know why it happened. It didn't delete my old character, and I use the
It should
exact
have.
same name. No, it
should have.
requires a server restart, I believe.
Oh, we can do that.
I ran into this bug before with UMMORPG. Is
But I have actually. I'm pretty sure it should work. I've done that, so I've deleted and created the same name character. It should work. Try to do a normal human, not an outlaw, with submarine info like that.
Are you going to be okay?
Name's already in use, so
What? Cancel. How many tabs do I have
Yeah.
open of it?
maybe you actually did create it, and that's why the internal error happened.
Oh.
Try to relog.
Yes. We love bugs, don't we?
I mean, you gotta find them out somehow. Like, there's an endless amount. I can't like fish them all.
Well, I know.
So this is laggy. There hasn't been too many testers so far. It's like a few friends have tried a few times, but this has been. I've been using Atavism for almost a year now. Started last summer. But it's right now. It's very easy for me to add content.
Oh no.
So it didn't add it.
Okay, let's get here. Let's just give it a. Before we go crazy, create. Yeah, it doesn't delete
Okay.
it properly from the database.
Let's try to reboot the server then. This will take a couple of maybe a minute.
Oh, goody. Once that error happens, doesn't refresh the GUI. Sorry about that.
Don't be sorry.
Hey, I'm Canadian. I had to be sorry about everything.
Oh, I forgot about that stereotype, but you're right. And then this password is, where is it? Secret password. And we're in, and we go cd opt atavism underscore server dash bin, and then we hit auth stop and world stop and auth start and world start. There's one script that allegedly should do that same thing. What I did, like run 4 scripts, like shutting down 2 different servers, which should do this by itself, but I'd rather do it manually. I found it works best this way. So now I should reboot the game. Maybe don't run. I have the rabbit on there.
I'm gonna put you under my games channel.
I didn't reboot the whole like Unix server or the Ubuntu. I just rebooted the game server. let's delete. I'm gonna try to delete player 1 and create character player 1. Now I did it immediately. Worked right away. I don't know why yours didn't. I literally had.
Why is it still saying it's pick another user? Is it because there's a number in it?
No, I literally have player name 123 123 123, and the player I just tested the thing. I deleted player number 1 and I created another character exactly with the same name.
The weird part is,
although I don't really like the idea of having numbers in the player names, so
maybe it's dictating that it's too short.
3. I think 3 is the minimum. It should say it should throw an error if it's too short.
I know. What I'm saying is the data. I may have broke the database for that specific character.
Well, there's going to be character wipes we could do one even right now if you want, because there's no other players really in the game but me. So, and I as an admin can immediately gain all the things back. There might be like character attached like vendors, because you can use your own merchants and build your own bases and stuff like castles. They will get destroyed.
I might know where the bug's coming. No? Are you? Oh, that's annoying that I have to keep alt F4ing.
Yeah, the UI is not my strong suit so far. Needs an overhaul.
Yeah.
Also, the game itself is a lot like tap target or click and then auto attack, or which I recently added because it only had like you had to actually click or press action bar skills to do anything. But
yeah.
I also want the action RPG like aiming and stuff like that the Invector demo kind of shows. It's a little more modern, I think. Not just tab targeting, but actually aiming. It actually works somewhat in the earlier version. I think it was like 0.8 or something, or 7, where there's a crosshair which targets anything it hits, but that's just something I tried out. Obviously, that's annoying if everything it hits targets it automatically. There needs to be like an aiming situation. You would pick up your rifle and into the aiming position by right-clicking or something.
I have no idea how I've fixed it yet worked it at the same time. I'd
Does it
fixed
work
the
now?
fact. No, it's still not working for that name. It might be that it crashed creating it and then it's in there twice already.
Yeah, I haven't made that kind of name, that's for sure. So that's a bug. But tell you what, we're gonna clean the slate, so to speak, and we're going to wipe all the characters. That's probably gonna require another reboot, but we go database actions, wipe characters, not accounts, maybe. Yep. And then we just do the putty. Where are you? Do this. Done. And now it should work again. There should be no characters in the game when you log in. Well, obviously you didn't have any, but
I hope this works.
I'm gonna go and make a game admin character.
Okay, so I'm just gonna let it.
My screen isn't that okay. It's a little jittery.
Oh, maybe I know what caused it.
What is it?
No, I was thinking it may have been because I hit enter, but no, it's not that. I
Yeah, it
got it
shouldn't
again.
work on enter. Is it working? No.
Oh, I got the character name. So if I spawn in,
Oh yeah, you're an outlaw now. We can PvP.
why you're not an outlaw?
No, I made that normal because it's the least buggy. As I said, I'm making the a human male, a
Oh
female like
gosh.
the normal.
Humans.
Alright, you died, but you're gonna spawn in the same place for now. I'm thinking of making different kind of dimensions. Alright. Your spawn seems to be up in the sky, so that's the outlaw spawn. Let me fix that for you.
We'll probably need a server update.
No, this can be done on runtime. Independent outlaw. Yeah, your spawn is way up in the air. That's why your corpse is falling.
Way really high.
Yeah, it's 0, 195, 0. If you might stop lagging. There we go.
I love how if you pick a female, it brings up the male icon.
On the normal humans, it just has a wonky hat icon on that. I haven't really even. I want like dynamic avatars, right? But I haven't done that yet. So that those are just like sprites. So
Yeah.
where's the spawn location? Respawn 0, 195, 0, 0. And there's this also 0, 95, 0, update. And then I need to do, wait, there, reload, and try to respawn now.
That is pretty good if you can do this. Nope.
And try again.
No.
Maybe you have to do another character, I know. Because it already probably has the template, which has the spawning location in the air.
Ow.
Yeah, I only modified the template. Your home location, your home spawn is probably like 10 kilometers in the air. It crashed. You have to alt 4.
Yeah.
Or, yeah.
Oh.
If it does that, it is crashed.
Yeah. Oh.
That's normal. I'm sorry for the quality of my game. It is very shitty.
It's fine. It's literally fine. And for some reason, my screen is mirrored on yours. I'm not exactly sure why. Let's see if this updated.
Oh yeah, I'm not streaming my own game. Because like
In Discord.
yeah, I didn't realize.
You're too interested in me.
Yeah, I was looking at what you were doing, but I was supposed to put that so that there's like a secondary source. Fucking OBS.
Here?
We have Unity. This one. Yep, now we have your screen. Shit.
Now under the ground, I think. No, I'm off. What? Close shop.
Press C. It seems that you have a huge ping. Wow.
What? Why do I have a huge ping all of a sudden?
Yeah, and you're 99 level for whatever reason. That's not a real character that exists.
No, it's faked.
Yeah, you're bugged. Try to log out.
It must be that it didn't like it's a desync of the client to the server because of the update. Maybe.
Yeah, I'm not sure if the template really. It should actually affect your respawn location. So just try to
try
enter
this.
again.
Oh, I was going to delete it.
Yeah, try that after if this doesn't work.
And then try with the same name, see if it breaks again.
Yeah. All right, now you're actually on your character, and now it goes into the login screen. What the fuck?
Alt. Or I would have it on a second monitor, but I don't have a second monitor, so I could just.
It should work if you just like.
No, but I keep
recreate the character.
So.
All right, we're just gonna. Like that.
Are you going to be okay, game? So delete the character?
Yeah. And what if you make well, you can make it a female, I don't care, it should work. It should be pretty much a copy of the human character, so that's what I'll go with.
I'll try it so it's the exact same test.
I'm not sure if it has the same items.
That worked this time.
Okay.
I'm so confused why it didn't work deleting my character properly.
I have no idea. Should probably look at the logs to find out.
Yeah. Yes, logs.
Tasty logs. Alright, you spawned in. There's a fucking giraffe right on top of you.
Yeah, you kind of spawn way up.
Yeah, you spawn on the hill.
And slide
Can you
down.
see me even? No, you can't see me. I'm right behind you. Yeah. That's weird.
Wait, let me see where you're
probably... I'm right... I should be on stream. I'm right behind you. I can see you, but you can't see me for whatever reason. It might have something to do with the stealth ability.
Is it because you're in... Yeah, there you go.
Oh, you can see me now. It just loaded me.
I think it was you were in a admin phase. Could have been.
No, I don't believe that. It's the Yuma characters which just load the latest. Like you can, if you come with me through the red door here, you can demo it. There's NPCs that are Yuma as well. Right click on the door.
No, you hold left click. I literally hold left click on it and it does the same.
The red door takes us to the southeast mountain. There are human NPC vendors here where you can buy like cosmetics, I call them. These are items that are replicas of like oh yeah, you're you're on a different faction. They're just gonna yeah, they're not gonna be your friends. Yeah, I have to make vendors for the outlaws as well, or some more neutral faction. So yeah, that doesn't work.
Let me not be an outlaw. Just
yeah, you can change your faction via an item or some NPC, which I haven't yet created. So you have to create it from the get-go. So that's
fine.
why
it's kind of little funny bugs early on that developers like, yeah, it's to be fixed.
Yeah, because I really want like oh shit, I did a mistake by going through the door again. But yeah, I really want like open world PvP, but also uh, obviously that's a issue of its own with the factions and whatnot. I want to make it as much of a sandbox as you can possibly make it, so people can
with
basically make their own alliances, and the reputation is dynamic. If you make do quests or kill a certain faction players or NPCs, you lose reputation and so on.
what the bleep happened to my body?
All right, that's a bug that I had a few times as well. I don't know what it is.
I wonder if it's
If you
just
press
it,
C, I
it
think it
didn't.
fixes it.
Yeah. Oh, I was thinking it was probably because the.
Are you an outlaw still?
No, I'm a normal.
All right.
Outlaws, for some reason, don't have clothes when they're born.
Neither do the normal humans. It is a bug that I don't know how to fix quite yet. But if you in the character screen click your character first or switch between characters, it doesn't happen. But otherwise, it doesn't update your equipment. Otherwise, if you press C, uh, if you don't have that bug, it should update your equipment like real time. Right now, I have that bug, so I have to press C in order to update what I'm wearing. If I take all my clothes off, I still have them until I press C again when it makes me naked.
Huh.
You can see me in real time.
Yeah.
Wait, look at me. Yeah, you see me update my like stuff. Like I take my pants off. Yeah, but I don't see that change until I press C.
It's
So
probably a
that has to be
UMA
fixed.
bug.
It is. It is. I have to figure that out. How it like because it doesn't happen if as I said, if you switch characters or select a different character in the character selection screen, then you log in, then it updates your equipment as you change it. So it's weird, but
Oh,
it's
I have no
definitely
money.
Yuma. You have the
Oh,
gold object in your. You can sell that. It's like 200 gold.
what gold? This?
The valuable thing.
So nice debug. Yes, we love debugs.
Also, don't use the door to go back. You have a Hearthstone kind of thing in your inventory to get back to the spawn if you like. So now if you right click the valuable thing, you get the 5 or whatever, 200 gold.
Hey. 125 gold. Yes. You want this? Yes.
Now you have a dragon mount.
I hate when
Also, the S
H
doesn't
get-
close all the windows. I've
I
been
know.
actually making the code for that myself, and it partially worked, but it didn't close all the windows, so it now doesn't close almost any of them. Also, I can't even see the vendors now. What the fuck? That's why I deleted them from the spawn, because they just crashed the game too often.
Auction house crafting. I don't know what the inventory button is. I love it if you.
B. I think it's B. You can set them by if you
bag.
press S,
Yeah.
press S, and then go to settings.
Oh, that's cool.
If you go press escape key and then go to settings. The arena window is also bound to be, so you should bind that to something else so it doesn't open whenever you open the inventory. That's my bad.
Oh gosh.
Yeah, the animations are not from the AC. The AC are they're way better. And if you right click the debuff that comes from the under your like character over your character, it just instantly demounts, unmounts in the upper left corner. The Pebble of Knowledge starts a quest, but there is no. Well, I can make the quest giver here.
Yeah. Oh, arena. That's how did the heck did I open that?
It's the B. As I said, if you press B, it opens inventory and arena. But if you press escape and you go to settings, you can bind that to something else so it doesn't open every time you press B. That is my fault. I had them in the same key.
It's fine. Like, these are normal bugs of oversights.
Let's see if our games crash when I do the tutor giant here. Ends quest. First level. And we want dialogues. Here, I spawned a monster. Oh yeah, the animator is bugged. But if you press the little coal or stone thing, which is red in your inventory, you get the quest, which can be returned to that. You wouldn't have the complete first quest option if you hadn't like activated the quest. Now you get to select either a pickaxe or an axe. This is just an example quest, and you can do any kinds of quests. And I'm gonna try to make it so that players can actually make their own quests, or quest givers at least, so that they can affect the things happening in the world. You know, if you make an NPC, you have an item right now that you can spawn an merchant with, and you can sell or buy items via that merchant. You can have 5 of them around the world, wherever. And then all the profits and items will be mailed to your character, what they buy or sell. That's the default horse. That we have better models in the AC, and a few animal packs.
Okay.
If you jump, I think the animator resets in that version. Yep. It's terrible, I know.
It's fine. Like, I get, this is early alpha. It's like, as Minecraft puts it, it's inf dev. Where you're not trying to get the mechanics, you're trying to get
Core
the
mechanics
concepts working before you just go full tilt.
Right. I think well, the way I like to look at it is that I got the core mechanics, or like something that could be considered like core mechanics in an MMORPG, and then go from there. And I think the rest of the way, like the last 10% of that, is just making content and tweaking those core mechanics. Because what I really like about the idea of having action RPG instead of like click, we have AoE and area targeting, but we don't have like that vertical aiming. So it makes things a little bit more dynamic if we can have like a, let's say we want to shoot a cannon. I think it feels kind of awkward to just pick a location on the ground you'd see where you're aiming it, but instead like just pick an angle to shoot that cannonball in and it will fly. Like that's the idea. And also I'm a big Dragon Ball fan, so if somebody can be punched to the other side of the map, that's perfect, or through a mountain, even better. By the way, if you press P, you get your skills window. The characters are like very fucking slow right now. Under physical combat, the guy getting punched in the face, there's the abilities to power up and power down or relax. So that also, it increases your like damage abilities, and it also increases the stamina cost of things, or mana cost on spells. So you can basically also it increases your speed, running speed. So if you put increased power, for example, in F2 right now, and then just click it a couple of times, you will run faster. And obviously shift is sprint.
So if I push F1,
you will mount into the dragon.
Oh, that's so cool. I think I worked it. Oh. Yeah, jump. Let's jump off. Ooh, yes.
Yeah, the flying is really wonky.
It's not too bad.
I
It's
don't
the
really like it.
milking. Well,
For some reason, it always defaults to being level when you wanna like angle the mount into certain different. There's if you press numlock, there's auto run, so it will
I don't have
automatically run.
numlock. I'm on a laptop.
Yeah, well, I also play on a laptop sometimes, but you can rebind all the actions from the settings.
Oh, that's how to get them to jump off it, I think. Maybe.
What?
Oh, if you notice, I can get her to jump off the mount every once in a while.
Yeah, I know what is the animator. It has like checks for if you're jumping in it. It just does any animation pretty much. It has the capability in this demo as well. If you wanna like bite mounted, it should be also only animating your like the top body, like your torso and up, not your legs, obviously. But right now, I think I've done it so that it actually activates animations one layer up, and not in the only the upper body or the IK or whatever it's called. So it will look a bit stupid if you fight on the mount. Same reason for the jumping. But as the animations are kind of better in the next version, which I haven't built yet. So it doesn't look so wonky. But I can't even see when need to probably I'm gonna go ahead.
If you want to push the update, like, it doesn't bother me.
It doesn't. I'm just gonna teleport myself to the spawn and back, because obviously when we're making an online game, we don't want it to. We have to like restart all the time. I can actually teleport right to you. You are M18.
I mean, as an admin, you should be able to teleport.
Yeah, and there are abilities like, okay, now I see. So it just really required me to go somewhere else and come back, and I can see everything now. If you stand in the fire, you take a little damage. Yeah, I did that.
No,
also you can drown.
I'm thinking the red bar is past what it's supposed to be.
Oh yeah, I'm sorry about that. No, it is that. It is like that. What? I think from the beginning.
I don't know.
I'm gonna spawn boss here.
I love how like all these things are like level 19 and whatnot, and here I am level 2.
Yeah, and you can probably kill this guy. Let's see. Yeah, they.
Nope. Wait, I'm so dead.
Oh yeah, you don't have any potions either.
No,
let me help you a little bit. Oh, I have the dagger equipped.
Oh.
Yeah, you're dead. Oh, the NPCs are helping now.
Okay, so that.
Oh, I died as well.
Don't forget you just wiped your character.
The idea is that there's no classes, so to speak. You can just train anything, like certain categories or even spells to get better abilities, you know, in that same category, right? Like in RuneScape or RPGs like that.
Okay, let's see if I log out while I get the villagers back.
Oh, I do the Hearthstone. That fixed it for me. You have or whatever it's called. In your inventory, there's like a little stone that lets you spawn without dying. Fireplace rock. Yeah. It's not Hearthstone because it's Fireplace rock.
Because it's probably copywritten.
Well, it's not, but it's a jab at Blizzard, I guess. I've played WoW as well, so I, I I just wanted to make an item or a spell that just spawns. It's at least for debug right now.
Yeah.
There is an item in the world builder when you do your base or your castle, whatever. You can build a bed, which I think is a table model, but it also is supposed to set your respawn location to your base. So you would be using the Hearthstone or Fireplace Rock, whatever, to get back to your base.
Yeah. Oh gosh. How dead are you? How dead is... Oh, that NPC villager might die.
Yeah, they're probably evenly matched. I don't know. I don't have any special abilities. What the fuck? I went through the wrong door now in the snowy mountains.
Yep. Like, honestly, having a patch server, like a server that's designed to restart all the time, and then having a production server,
Okay, yeah, like a
probably the way to
testing
go.
environment. Yeah, I know, but
But yeah,
I have limited
restarting too
resources.
often.
We don't really need to restart. That's the beauty. If you want to make a new a mob, a new item, or an ability, we can do all that while the game is running with the templates that we've. If we add more templates, then we have to make a patch update.
Yeah.
But other than that, there's not really anything that requires restart if everything is already kind of baked in the game. But
That's
obviously, for maintenance reasons, you should restart the server every now and then so it doesn't get like flooded with whatever might be destroyed like at restart. But right now there shouldn't be too much of that stuff, and there's no players. So if we would get some like real tests with this server should hold 1,000 clients currently. So I haven't been able to test more like 2 or 3 at the same time. So that's obviously an important test for anything that would call itself MMO. Yeah, maybe we need a little bit better items. Let's do.
I would say this villager is going to die.
I'm gonna save it.
Yeah. What level? Oh, that was you that leveled up.
Yeah, the animations is Crypto FX. Probably should change that to something a little more subtle. Wait a minute. Where are you? Target is too far away. There you are. Let me trade you. It's lagging as fuck because it's vendors. What? You should accept.
Oh yeah, it's just trade accepted.
Yeah, he should have given you
I'm gonna
the.
rebind that right now. Cause I'm so used to.
Yeah, you can put it into whatever you like. I like it that the Atavism has this settings menu pretty nicely set up.
Why? Okay, that's a weird bug.
It just opened it. It's because of my own like custom code. Well, while you are in the settings menu, it doesn't disable the hotkeys as you bind them. It will obviously open if you press rebind I as you are binding it. It will open the inventory immediately.
Out of
Same with
curiosity, do
everything.
you see this sword going through my right side?
Yeah, the slots are like
No, I see it differently on my screen. I'm curious what I see on yours. No, wait, what?
It seems to be on your back, but
When you're
it's
charging at the
definitely
guy.
not in the right place.
Death.
Yeah. You probably one-shot it with that sword. It's not even any like cool stats. You only get damage. There are some better
What the-
items. The demon armor.
Bearskin.
It requires level 4. Shit.
This is kind of cool, though. I'm glad I found you.
I'm gonna make a couple of demons here.
So, out of curiosity, how do I use the GG stuff?
There's the God Engine tab in my. It's very new, like I said in the DM. It's just what I figured it would be a nice way to kind of get funding. Is that if people get those for free, first of all, they get everything that they do. Like if they log into my website, they get a few of them for free, and then they can use them at the God Engine tab to vote for any suggestions or game development ideas, which can be totally like other people's ideas than mine. If they just give me the suggestions, I can add them there, and people can vote on them, and maybe that would incentivize that. What's the word? Like motivate them to like kind of invest in my company. I'm gonna spawn a little imps here. So that would kind of, in my opinion at least, it would be kind of not pay to win because it doesn't help you in any way in the game. It's just it gives you a chance to get involved in the development and kind of
Oh gosh, I may die.
use the auto attack. It's AOE, or it's everybody in front of you takes damage. The slash attack. Did you die? I killed them. Like now I'm level 5 immediately.
Yep.
Oh yeah.
I wonder if I'll see the villagers. I do. That's really weird. That is a weird bug that they'll sometimes load and sometimes won't.
Alright. You have admin rights right now in the game. You can do pretty much anything, but don't do the message in the server command tab because it restarts the server, unless you want to restart the server, but it crashes it basically for everyone. You will get the admin menu only after relog, I think.
That's fine.
So you can spawn like I gave you admin instead of GM, which is another access right, because I don't think that they can spawn NPCs. What?
If you right click on the armor to change it, it auto updates.
Yeah. No, that's a part of the bug. You probably it should update or not update.
No, it auto updates the texture. Is what I'm saying.
Yeah, it's supposed to do that, but sometimes it bugs out and doesn't until you press C, which opens the character menu.
Demon blood?
Yeah, it's a crafting item. I think I already made like a blueprint for blacksmithing or whatever it's called, smithing.
Just leave me alone.
Where you can use that. Yeah, you can do demon blood blade.
This is really an overpowered.
Yeah, it is. You still have the common sword if you wanna destroy it, but you have the capability of spawning any item right now for yourself.
I'm not going to spawn because it's half fun debugging.
right?
Okay,
But it helps you
really-
debug. We can make any item, like a new custom item,
Oh
even.
gosh. Did I just level like twice in a row? Wait, does this have AoE attack?
Yeah, the slash attack has 180 80 degrees radius in front of you, basically, which takes damage.
I
A
would
5
say,
meter
though-
radius is
I would
very
say
long.
though, have the Demon Blood and Demon Blade. Is the Demon Blade a weapon? Oh, it is. The Demon Blood should be stackable.
That's correct. Let's fix
It
it.
should be. It's
I'm
not
gonna
triggering
make it
as
so.
stack.
I'm gonna make it stackable. Wait a minute.
Come on. Let me target you.
How big of a stack limit? Let's say 50. Update. And
on.
then we have to go in the game and use reload. Now that should be stackable.
That was weird. It changed its icon for a sec.
Yeah, it's because I updated the Demon Blood. You should drag and drop them and they should be stackable, and they should automatically stack if you loot more.
Well, let's give that a try. Okay, these demons give a lot of experience.
Yeah, they're
Yeah,
level 16. They're just so weak. Or we have a overpowered weapon. Basically, it does 1,000 damage. It's just 300 XP or 380 XP that they give, but we're low level, so it's big for us. Does it stack? If you
Yeah.
press F near those like purple glowy thingies, it will auto loot everything around you.
Oh, that's a good hidden thing.
And you can rebind it from the settings as well.
F.
I haven't really made
Oh.
a tutorial, yeah. It just auto loots everything.
It's always great when you're like, you know the asset stores well enough that's like, oh, wait. No.
No. It's like a WoW kind of duel where the one. Did you get loot from that? 'Cause I got loot from it.
I don't know. I didn't seem to. If I go F,
It has to be glowing, and when it's not glowing, you have looted it. I think the events tab shows what you loot. Like in the chat.
oh dang it! I just wait. Can I loot from you? I wonder.
If I die and drop something.
Duel? I'm just curious if I can loot you.
I don't think you will kill me unless these guys kill me. And also there's a chance for every item, or it's a stat for items that you can set, so it's basically, yeah, so you didn't kill me.
Dear God.
Yeah. No, it's just a normal duel.
Oh, you go down to
But if we would be PvPing, then you would kill me, but we're on the same side. It's a consensual duel, like in WoW.
Oh, cool.
We're on the same side, basically.
The one thing I didn't like about WoW is it was too expensive of a subscription.
Right, I was thinking like €4 a month, but you know, if the GG
Right.
thing works or whatever, then it could be free as well. I don't care, as long as there is no, like, the thing about monetizing an RPG or an MMO is how to make it so it's not like pay to win, right? So the subscription thing is a really good way, I think, because the server hosting and everything like that, assets and everything, they cost money.
Be honest, I have no problem helping this project because, like, I'm looking for like a new type of MMO to enjoy. What? I did. I turned around and killed it? Wait, what? Okay, you've got to get tab to work.
Yeah, the auto attack is very buggy because it's so long range, and also
Yep.
yeah, you keep hitting the target. The target. Actually, I can fix that. The slash attack shouldn't. You shouldn't be able to slash dead things. Right now, you keep like smacking things that are dead. But I think that you can actually cast that without any target, or that's the idea. So you don't have to target anything. You can just swing your sword, and whatever is in the way, you know, kind of damage, right?
So I want to suggest something that I was going to do in my MMO that never really, well, I couldn't do it because, well, I never really took off. But
Right.
people are interested in this idea of give the players unique items if they want to donate to have a specific thing added to the game. So, like, I gave the option of, like, hey, I want X person wants to have, let's say, special sword, we'll say, that only they can craft or give out the recipe to craft. Because
Now,
they've paid. Now, I'm not
yeah,
saying that it has to have anything special with it.
no.
But
I was actually doubling down because my idea is that the base game itself, you don't need to buy a DLC or invest any more money. Is that you can actually create your own spells and items and everything, like recipes, like they're all unique. Your character should be unique. You should be able to like learn a set of skills like let's say woodworking and smithing, and then like some uh, shadow magic, and that combination of talents kind of would make you able to craft some dynamically like totally unique item or ability. Like that obviously doesn't exist right now, but that's the idea of making it more of a sandbox kind of a game where people create the content. And I had one pretty good idea of kind of these sacrificial, or how do you this kind of, what's the word, like you could make a ritual for the gods to kind of embed one of your inventions. Would be like you've crafted this unique sword or something that has these and these effects, and this and this enchantment and these gems and whatnot, and you can make a ritual to kind of uh, give them to the gods, and the gods would kind of integrate that into the game so that they would be available in the stores in the game or in the lore or somewhere in the game in the future. You would find your sword, but you wouldn't be able to kind of buy yourself into unique items. You had to play the game. I don't, because what you
no,
suggested is that you would always get something unique if you donate, but I don't really like that because it's
well, yeah,
again
that
kind of pay to win.
it's more of a unique skin or item.
Right. But what
But
I'm
I
saying,
get what
I
you're saying.
would really want to players to have the ability to have unique items without paying extra money for it.
Yeah. Okay. I mean, could also have it so it's. I'm not saying it's a tradable. Oh shoot! I think I just got stuck. Yeah, I definitely just got stuck. Hello?
Sorry, I'm in the bathroom.
Oh, sorry. Oh, there we go. I just got unstuck.
You should be able to use the hard stone while moving too. So if you get stuck, that should help. It has a cooldown though, like a few minutes.
Could you increase the like bear skin to at least what's it called? Past 8.
The stack.
At 8 right. Yeah, 8 stack right now.
Yeah, I haven't really made any loot tables. I think there's a couple that are, basically they're the drop chances and so on, what kind of items any a given mob drops. So there are just a few of them. So you're gonna get like intestines and the iron armor and stuff like that. So what was it, bearskin?
Yeah, bearskin needs to have more than 8. Not sure if it's a craftable item. It's a sellable material.
Yeah, it can be. It's not right now. Whatever recipe we can make, we can require anything really. Stack limit is 10 right now, so we're gonna.
Its stack limit is 8, I think.
It should be 10.
You just changed it, didn't you?
Yeah, it was 10. I changed it to 100.
That's cool.
So yeah, that kind of and new items and whatnot. As long as we're using the models that already exist in the game, we can make as many as we like. And at some point, Bringer of Death. An even more OP sword.
Oh gosh, that's never good when you get an OP of an OP sword.
Right. There is no real like we need to rework everything in the game. So I've basically added manually like 400 different weapon models in there, and now we can make an infinite amount of like items in the game, which are just an icon plus different kinds of stats and requirements and whatnot.
Yeah.
Right now we're using something. We're using something that not anyone under level 40 should be allowed to use, but because I wanted to make these for debug purposes, so
yeah.
Right now we're like one-shotting these demons basically, but that's not how the game obviously should be played.
No. Like, I'm just. Wait, what's this demon I can't target? Let me target you. No, I definitely would like to see this game take off.
Well, thank you. Me too.
Can I steal items from your drops?
I think if we're grouped, this I think is
No, I'm just
like,
more curious. Before you kill stuff, I want to make sure I can't steal your own drops.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure that it's that didn't have any loot. Wait, I need to bind that. Increase power. I want to run a little bit faster.
Come here.
Now I have 3 loots here. Do you have any? No?
No. That's good.
Yep.
Let's see. Fight the group.
And now we should, or you should have, if you right-click your own avatar, you should have the
it's
options. No, leave group. Maybe not.
I don't have the loot table options.
Yeah, they exist though. Wonder where they were.
Oh, that's good bug finding. Wait, did I kill that or? I don't know if I killed this or not.
I think that the group leader, try to target yourself, click your own avatar, and then right-click the targeted. Okay, it doesn't seem to work.
I'm just trying to. I haven't clicked them yet. I'm trying to defend my honor. And why is that not killing that demon? Or what the bleep?
I killed it.
Wait, did they just get harder because we're in party?
I don't think they should scale. I don't intend for that.
No, I'm not saying they do. I'm saying
they shouldn't.
I think the server's freaking out.
Demon Blade. Can you loot it as well?
I looted it. Did you loot?
But there's
blue one?
two of them, so basically it could have been. No, I didn't get it actually, or did I? I don't know.
Okay, let's go over this. Oh, that one timed out. Okay, we got 2 here.
Both of them are lootable. So what if I take the loot here?
You take it from me.
So can you loot afterwards?
Nope.
Okay, good. It's just
Well,
saying that you don't loot twice the same mob.
Yeah.
So if we're in the party, it's free loot, I guess. But there should be an option to set it to oh yeah,
I'm
just
Robin.
try to untarget, or a double escape, and then press your own avatar, and
Wait, why
then
is
right
Mana there?
click that. What? I have no idea. It
It's not allowed
yeah,
to right-click.
the bar extends under that avatar. Doesn't let you right click.
Nope.
Oh yeah, it doesn't let me either. Never mind then. I thought that would work that way.
Wait, is that a... I gotta try this. I think I found a way to auto-attack. Wait.
Yeah, you target yourself and then just hit the one button, right?
Yeah, I just spam 1.
That's perfect, thank you. We're gonna replicate that under the hood somehow.
Yeah, that should not be a thing.
No, but actually, it is what we like. What I wanted to have is an attack that wouldn't require the target, basically. So when you do the sword swinging animation, whatever it hits, right now it hits way too far away, but whatever the sword hits, basically should take damage, right?
Yeah.
So in that way, it
is
would
that?
make it more action for me. Right now, it's very far.
So cosmetic vendor.
Yeah, if you use items that you can buy from these guys, they will break almost immediately. That's why they're cosmetics. They're free also. So you can just look what the swords look like in this case, or the other vendors, axes and shields and whatnot. And also they all will be equipped very weirdly. But this is what I've been laying the groundwork for, is the models. These models can be reused infinite times as different kind of items.
Interesting. Okay.
The anvil doubles as a crafting station, or there's different types of crafting stations. Like on the fire, you can cook. Also, you can take a quest, I think, from the Tudor Giant that tells you to kill the death guy.
You just made that now, or?
I added it to the... it should be somewhere there. Maybe not. Try to go through the how I level up. Now close.
There.
And talk to him again. There should be a quest. Maybe I forgot to. Let's fix it.
Teleport me.
No. If it has teleport options, don't press them, because the giant will teleport to the sky. What? Shit. Select. Start quest. It should be there. I got a level because you killed him. We shared the XP for that.
Well, that's a great way to... That... Yeah. Target self. Initiate target self. Yes. And then
I think you have to turn around to kill the guy behind you. There's this 180 degrees angle, I think.
or
Yep.
I'll do the whole walk and with mouse button.
What?
Both mouse buttons held down.
Yeah, you can walk right. And if you press the button next to the 1 in the numbers 1, 2, 3, left to the 1 is a walk, run toggle.
Oh, the tilde or whatever.
Yeah,
The
tilde.
button with 1,000 names, I call it.
Yeah.
It's like grave tilde. Nobody knows what to call it.
Right. That's why I chose to describe its location.
Yeah. I call it the button with 1,000 names.
Right.
Oh, so you can't attack and swing at the same time. Or walk and swing, I mean. Oh, and the XP scales. Interesting.
It's based on what level the mob is that you kill.
And there we go, I've got 50 blood.
You should be able to sell it.
The general vendor, I think, died.
Oh, that's sad.
Is he over
I
here?
think you
Oh,
should
there
be
he is.
able to. You can shop while they're in combat, which is kind of weird. I think I should try to disable that.
Where is he?
Can you? You can sell them. Whoa, they're expensive. I got 19 gold for 11.
Come on, Jack. Let me. Oh.
There are a bunch of. Is the cook here? No, I'm gonna spawn a cook. Food merchant.
Let's. How much am I going to get for you? So tell me. You can't sell that item.
Yeah, some items are not sellable.
Wait.
Food merchant. Oh, he started fighting as well. It's fucking demons.
Don't-
Oh yeah, targeting yourself helps a lot with the flash attack.
How much do these sell for? Okay, that's a little broken.
Which one?
The demon blood.
Oh yeah.
Considering I have like 100, I can make like 100 gold from it.
These can all be changed, like that. Under 30
much?
seconds, we can change the price of demon blood. It's just, you know.
I'll say this: the hide is not worth as much. I'll be right back. I have to use the bathroom.
Right. Let's change the price of the hide. 25 silver. Let's do 85 bronze. Whoops. Nah. Oh shit, I haven't seen a chat in a while.
Hello.
Hello, hello.
Yeah, bathroom for men take no time. It's just like in, out. So you're telling me that Bringer of Death is better than the current one?
Judging, I was watching your stream. It had like 4,000 max damage. So I think the current one,
It's like 2,000.
whatever, Coltaz, is 200 to 1,000, which is a huge range. To be honest, it's
probably
kind of
a bit
wacky.
much.
Yeah, but you know, it's really the furthest I've been developing MMOs so far, and or RPGs even. But obviously, it's not up to scale, or there needs to be a little like say the first weapon, like the common iron sword, might be in the ballpark of what an item could be. This has damage, but
Yeah.
obviously scaling is an issue when I'm planning to make a game where actually the players and some of the mobs obviously are going to be gods, quote unquote, or deities of some level, which could destroy and have the power of a god, basically. So they would obviously need if they do the same slash attack,
Yeah.
but the scaling is a question of its own. Right now you're level 10 and we've played less than like I don't know how long, but we've basically just grinded imps. Yeah.
Like,
but,
you do have to remember that we're using god weapons.
But I feel like that's kind of what I would like, so that there's not the classic that you have to grind yourself to level 20 or whatever. The level wouldn't matter as much as what your skills are or what your items are. So like in a game where you have a sword of a god, it feels stupid to me that you have to be level 20 to equip it. In real life, pretty much anyone could like equip a sword to know how to use it or to use it with it. For example, if you're level 5 and you find like some Hammer of Thor, for example. Well, that's a bad example because you can't lift that by lore. But some like some weapon like Excalibur or something that you could just wield, even though you're low level, but you're pure hearted or something like this. So you would have like an OP weapon in a low level, which would like balance you against like bigger level characters. And as we're making an open world sandbox, I think that would I would like that kind of a way the game would work. I don't know if it would work in like reality. But obviously, we're not going to be sharing god weapons to every player. But if there's like a random event where like the giraffe god spawns and it shits out one unique weapon that's like god level weapon, and just some random 10 level person finds it, then they can have it, right? And also, I was a long time ago, I thought of the idea of gods having these souls or whatever, or soul orbs, I think I call them, which kind of divide their power, which can be looted if you kill them. So you wouldn't kill the actual god, which exists in a separate realm or dimension. It won't die if you kill him when he appears in the man world, but you could be able to loot a part of its soul basically and gain all the power, or sell the orb, or use it to craft a legendary weapon or something like that. That would be cool. And I think the item already exists, but it doesn't have any like use purposes or use cases so far.
I should probably buy another bag or two. Wait, empty item?
Yeah, that's for debugging. I don't know if it breaks the game anymore. At one point, I broke the game, and I wanted to fix the inventory because whenever you switched drag and dropping the items to somewhere where there's a bugged item, you would lose the item, kind of, or it wouldn't be visible until you drag and drop another item, which would swap the places in the inventory. So that's why I made the empty item. It's just
try something.
It doesn't do anything.
I can't switch it. It just made me like think. I'm trying to drag it into different slots. Yeah, no.
I don't think it breaks the game anymore. But I well, it itself didn't break the game. I actually used it to debug the game. But I wouldn't be so sure it couldn't break the game. Obviously, it might be.
So, is there going to be bags with different amount of space?
Right now, there's only one size, but obviously we could make. I have 10,000 or more like fantasy icons, and the bag is just an item, a type of item. So we can make different size of bags, obviously, but I only have one or two actually right now.
Yeah. No, I would say the biggest thing you need to work on is terrain now. Like,
which one? What?
The terrain, because you've got a lot of the core mechanics down.
Right.
And you can. I don't know if terrain can be updated on while it's running.
No, we need to patch update. But that's one part where I have an asset to. It's called Digger Pro.
Yeah.
Where you can actually like make caves and everything in runtime, which exists in this game, but it's not like implemented to the players, so we can't dig holes right now. So that would be cool, and also to cultivate or like plant trees and like that. So we wouldn't have a patch update every time we want to make a different kind of terrain. Right now, this requires for me to go into Unity and just paint trees or grass or whatever stones. But I would like it to be dynamic.
Yeah.
In the future.
Definitely. If you want to work on the terrain right now, I know you're working on a different project, but dang this, you have a set goal.
Right. This is like I'm not worried about because the side projects are also kind of giving me experience, and sometimes the side projects will be kind of integrated, like the one that you tried where there's that dwarf running around. I would kind of want that kind of animation controller or character controller and combat system in this MMO as well. But right now they're a separate project basically.
One more thing. Can you do a client update near the end of the day if possible to get rid of the offline mode things?
Oh yeah.
That will take
like a couple hours.
Just
I can build it right now. I can start building it right now. It takes 15 minutes to build a client, but then I need to upload it.
Yeah. I'd actually suggest using the host I use, not because I do a referral. They have a web package, where you're allowed unlimited resources.
Oh?
Yeah, it's like, I want to say roughly €30 a month, maybe €25 a month, for unlimited web package. And like I've told them, like, why is it unlimited? There's no way you have it. They're like, that machine has so much storage, and nobody is using it. Like, I'm on the basic package, which is $5 Canadian a month, roughly, and it's 10 gigs. So it'd be one upload of this. So,
I mean, yeah, link it definitely.
Yeah. Because they're good people.
Because the Windows server, I think it's like 110 pounds or 130 euros a month right now.
Yeah, no. I might actually do a referral on my personal account because I don't have the referral set up yet on personal. Because I was running both my company and through it. I was running my company and